Let's see how you can share a YouTube video link on your Instagram story. So if you want to share your own YouTube video with a clickable link which people can click on and open the video, or you want to share another video from YouTube which you like, then follow my steps. We first have to get the video link from the video we want to share. If I want to share my own YouTube video, all I have to do is to go over to my video section, then tap on the 3 dots. Select the Share button, and then Copy Link. We've got the link for our video, which we want to share. But let's say you want to share a video from another channel. I'll first take a screenshot of this thumbnail because I'll share that as a photo to my story, as well as the clickable link. So open the video, then share. And copy link. We can then open our Instagram app and create a new story. I'll add the thumbnail photo to the story so people can see what kind of video it is. Now let's add the link. Tap on this little sticker icon at the top, then find the link option. Now we just have to paste the link in the little URL bar at the top and tap on Done. And we've added the link to our Instagram story. When our followers open the story and click on the link, it will open the YouTube video for them. And that is how we can add YouTube links to our Instagram stories on both iPhone or Android. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.